Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I do have a state report graphic organizer that's for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'll put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Vermont. Now, Vermont became the 14th state to join the Union on February 18th, 1791. The original governor was a guy named Thomas Chittenden. We know today that the capital of Vermont is Montpelier, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, the original capital of Vermont was a place called Arlington. The state flag consists of a shield with 3 sheaves of grain and a cow to represent the agriculture and the dairy industries in the state. Above the shield is a mounted deer, and below is a ribbon that reads the state motto, which is freedom and unity. The state bird is the hermit thrush, the state tree is the sugar maple, the state flower is the red clover, and the state nickname is the Green Mountain State. I love that. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do an awesome job. You got this. Good luck. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.